My name is Vahini from Amalorpavam school. My number is 8030. I am going to say about water level indicator. Water level indicator. Nowadays, everybody has overhead tanks at their homes. They are facing different kinds of problems because of this. To avoid the problems, I have found a new project, water level indicator. In this system, when it reaches this level, it suddenly stops. It suddenly stops. This is the DC motor, and this is the tank. Next, we can go to home security alarm system. Alarm system is a system designed to detect intrusion into a building or an area. Security alarms are used in commercial purpose, industrial purpose, residential purpose, and for protection. Let's see how it works. When we open the door, it gives a beep sound. It gives a beep sound because there is a sensor and a magnet behind the door. Both touches and give a beep sound. This indicates an alarm condition. Beep sound serve the dual purposes of warning occupants of intrusion and potentially scaring of thieves. Thank you.